What is that one thing that you see him doing, the big mistake? So anybody else, like I say, who's right at the very start, can sort of avoid that pitfall.
The one big mistake I would say is relationships. People have, I think a lot of people that I've known around the world and in business and stuff, is they missed the little trick. It's so easy building relationships.
You've got quite a few different type of properties. I like how that you've nailed down your ideal guest. Looking back then over the first year, what was or what has been one of your favorite failures that you've made? So something that you've done which was an error that you've learned from, that you can maybe pass on to somebody else who may be where you were right back in 2018.
When I started, I had two properties a year back, and now we have a portfolio of around 15, which is managed and owned properties of SA, service accommodation. So one of the biggest mistakes I think I've made early on, which has not hurt me so much, but it has, and one of them was when there was guests who were asking for extras or extra items, extra things. So I can use an example of families coming from abroad asking for a traveling cot. That's just an example I give you. So they were asking for extras, and so this is something I never provided. I never thought of. Not having kids, I never thought of there would be people looking for a travel cot.
Share a bit of the tools, the names, the software, what you're using.
So the main one, which is a digital guide, which is a customer-facing tool, is what we use. It's a houseguideapp.com.